Hey everybody, this is Louix Dor Dempriey, and I'm here with my latest installment of my Fields of Flowers initiative, planting beautiful flowers all over public grounds to help beautify the world and create beauty in this year of beauty 2020. So let me show you here. I'm in the neighborhood near my house, and I planted some geraniums just a couple weeks ago from cuttings out of my yard. They already have new leaves and flowers just from a few weeks. I just poke a hole and just stick them in and give them a drizzle of water once a week, that's it. And they take off. They're very drought tolerant. Always be mindful of not violating anyone's space or property rights, and don't plant invasive species that are not harmonious. You got to do some homework there. But anyway, this all fits all the criteria, so beautifying our street. So anyway, today at my next edition, I've done these exotic purple geraniums that I cut out of my friend's yard, and I'm just going to pop in a couple. I got a little spike here to stick them in. I'm going to do a couple more here. Just dig a little hole, stick the thing in, piece of cake, and then I'm going to come back when I'm done planting and just give it a little drizzle. And it only needs, they're very drought tolerant geraniums. They're really very generous, very hardy. And just a drizzle once a week and they're good. And I got another one over here I'm going to do. And they'll be growing up among this ground cover, which is so cool. And here's another one to stick in here. Super cool. All right. And there we go. So, a year from now, this is going to be a rainbow on the street. And I'll be giving updates as we go. But I'm going to keep adding different colored ground covers and exotic flowers and a lot of drought tolerant stuff to be harmonious with nature and sustainable living and all that. So, thank you. Happy Memorial Day weekend. And this is Louis from sunny California. Take care.